After the devastating typhoon happened in municipality of Riverside, they faced a significant financial challenges. That Sangguniang Bayan enacted a business recovery tax ordinance. They made it discuss with our panel of judges determining what is constitutional and unconstitutional, also the recommendation they want to impose.
Today, we are the panel of judges assigned to review the constitutionality of the Municipality of Riverside Business Recovery Tax Ordinance. The ordinance was created after the devastating typhoon to generate funds for rebuilding roads, the public markets, and evacuation centers. While this is a valid public purpose, the ordinance must still comply with the constitutional and the inherent limitations of taxation. Today, we will determine which provisions are valid, which are unconstitutional, and what provisions should be removed. Question 1. After reviewing the ordinance, we found that several provisions violated the limitations of taxation. First, the ordinance took effect immediately without a public hearing, violating due process. Second, the additional 8% tax imposed only on large supermarkets violated equal protection and uniformity of taxation because similar businesses were not taxed equally. Lastly, allowing the mayor to increase tax rates without the municipal council approve violated the non-delegated of tax law. These provisions are unconstitutional because they do not allow the legal limitations on taxation.
Question. Which taxpayer right affected? The affected rights were right to process, right to equal protection of the law, right to fair and minimum taxation.
Which provision should be taken? These provisions are not considered. The ordinance promotes of basic funds after typhoon because taxes for public purposes. Government hospital remain exempt because no government enterprise are generally exempt from taxation. The charitable foundation operating in a food diocese center remain exempt since the property was used absolutely, directly and exclusively for charitable purposes.
Question number 4. Which provision should be declared unconstitutional? So, the following provisions should be declared unconstitutional. First, implementing the ordinance without a public consultation violated due process. Second, imposing an 8% tax on supermarkets violated equal protection and uniformity of taxation. Lastly, allowing mayor to increase tax rates without the approval of municipal council violated the non-delegation of taxing power. So, last question, what provision we recommended first hold public consultation before implementation. Second is to apply taxpayer duty regular have tax status approved by municipal council, and last is to keep tax exemption approved allowed by law. So after receiving the evidence, we find that the ordinance is particularly constitutional. However, the provisions related to due process, equal protection, uniformity of taxation, and the non-delegation of taxing power are unconstitutional. Therefore, the municipality must revise the ordinance before enforcing the disputed tax measure. Thank you.